Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne pour la suite de nos aventures sur Game of Thrones. Donc du coup, on va reprendre là où c'est arrêté. J'ai changé de personnage, hein, parce que du coup j'avais pris un mercenaire pour faire pour voir le début du jeu. Mais entre temps j'ai quand même farmé pas mal avec pour voir quelques petits trucs. J'étais avec des amis donc on va continuer les quêtes. Et on est parti.
I need a horse.
You're that half-wit bastard what rode out beyond the wall. A horse ain't easy to come by. We need as many as we can get our hands on. Unless you're willing to ride into battle when Mount's raid on his wildlings come for us, piss off.
You'll have to forgive my brother. He means well, really. I saw you ride out with Kennet. I don't mean to pry, but your uncle, he was a good man, always kind to me, especially when a lot of others weren't. I'm sorry for your loss.
Thank you.
I'm Samwell, by the way. Sam.
I'm from House Tyre.
Still at it, are they? Well, these council meetings can drag on a bit. Not the first time John has been reprimanded, I'm afraid. Probably won't be the last either.
John, what did they say? Did they ask you to leave?
My watch ends when I die, not before.
Did you tell them about the White Walkers?
Aye, but they were unconvinced. They're more worried about Mance Raider's attack. Still, that's my problem to solve. You'd best be off. You have a long journey ahead of you.
Aye. Good luck to you, John.
Voilà. Bon.
Father charged me to ride to Castle Black to gather news. The watch had been too quiet for his liking. I now see why. I rode beyond the wall and saw firsthand what they're facing. Wildlings. And worse. White Walkers. Creatures we'd thought a myth. Jon Snow's right. The Seven Kingdoms must send aid. My father must send aid. If he still has the strength left in him, that is.
Ok. Donc là maintenant il faut qu'on aille au Havre. Voilà, au Havre alors. Alors c'est marrant parce que je tourne cette vidéo juste au moment où il y a de la neige partout en France, quoi. Donc là du coup...
Oi! You there! Turn back!
What's the problem?
Road's closed. Thorn's orders. Got reports of wildlings between here and Molestown. Too easy to get ambushed in this blizzard.
My hold's just beyond here. Clear the way.
No exceptions. You can stay at Castle Black till it dies down. And lighten up, eh? Wildlings don't know their pricks from their fingers. Don't have the brains to push further south. Your hold's safe.
Ok.
I can't wait for the blizzard to end. There's another path through the hills. It'll be a long walk.
Donc du coup...
Oi! Up here! Quick now! Don't know how much more blood the man's got to lose.
On va aller récupérer le... Hop, équipé.
Lucky bastard, aren't you?
Gavin!
You know him? Found him bleeding in the snow. Queen's Crown way. Place is crawling with wildlings. Barely got him out alive.
He lives on my lands. There's wildlings in Queen's Crown? The Watch said they'd keep north.
Well, our friend here sure as shit didn't cleave his own leg near and soon out, did he?
Master. Lark. They got Lark.
Hey?
His daughter. We grew up together. The wildlings took her?
I jumped a cart passing through town. I tried to stop him, but... like... well, I'd freeze to death till this one found me.
I'll get her out. There's a checkpoint just down there. Get him to safety and alert the Watch.
Aye, I'll get some there. You take this. It's no good with him.
Équipé.
First whites, now wildlings. The Watch is stretched too thin. They took Lark for a reason. Gotta find out why.
Damn it!
A wildling. They're tracking Gavin.
I know you're here somewhere.
He won't be alone. Best
Ok,
keep
donc
quiet.
c'est vraiment le jeu RPG quoi. Ah, je connais pas l'arbalète. Ouh, c'est efficace. Alors par contre, est-ce qu'on peut les looter? Non.
Damned fool! How'd you lose a bleeding man in the snow?
Shut it. Cut his leg clean in half. Can't have gone far if he ain't dead already.
Aye, but we're not going back till we're sure. The crows could find him for all we know.
There's two of them.
Faut s'accroupir.
If I can get close.
Bon, est-ce qu'on a vraiment besoin de s'accroupir? Ah, j'ai pas réglé les... Oh, c'est bien, c'est silencieux ça, dis donc. Allez, c'est parti. Je pense qu'il va y avoir la baston. En tout cas, les décors sont super beaux. Oh oui, il y a l'air d'avoir du monde là.
This isn't just a raiding party. Renin's Rest could be next. No time to waste.
Ah. D'accord, bon, allez, on va y aller à l'épée directement. Ok. Ah, pourquoi je peux pas m'accroupir? Ah bah si, là je peux. Donc avec l'arbalète on peut pas? On va voir, on va essayer. Ah non, avec l'arbalète on peut pas. D'accord, ok. On souffre en silence. Ok. Donc du coup, jeu assez sommaire, hein, quête.
What happened here?
What's it look like? Wildlings just showed up and started tearing off limbs.
What did they want?
The leader, he kept asking about Castle Black. How high are the walls? How many men? What do we know? We're just farmers.
This leader. Did you see him?
Aye. Big he was. Bigger than any man has a right to be. Face covered in scars. Even the wildlings wouldn't look him in the eye.
Stay out of sight. I'll deal with the wildlings. Wildling leaders are thin. But he doesn't know the state of the Watch. Not yet.
Oui, donc... alors, attends, on va regarder un peu la map. Ok, il y a pas mal de... Il y a pas mal de territoires à découvrir. Donc on a une château noir. Ok. Ah ouais, elle a l'air d'être assez grande la map. D'accord. Beaucoup de coffres. Chiffon sale, pièces. En tout cas, l'arbalète, elle a l'air d'être puissante. Par contre, j'ai pas de monture. Ah,
Gavin was right. They've overrun the village. Even one of them makes it back to Mance with word on the watch, and the wall's doomed.
ouh, il y a d'avoir du monde. Attends, on va essayer de se faufiler. D'accord, il est là. D'accord, ok. Ça passe pas ça passe pas le décor. Ouh, c'est bon ça. On va essayer de se faufiler de l'autre côté. Je suis pas sûr. Il y en a un autre là-bas. Pourquoi on peut pas se mettre à... J'ai combien de flèches chez moi? C'est combien de flèches? 5. Ben voilà, c'est silencieux ça. Est-ce qu'il en reste d'autres? Ouais, là-bas. Alors, utilise une attaque lourde et une attaque légère, par exemple. Ok, d'accord. Oh, c'est génial ça. Donc du coup... Ah si, il y a des loots. Alors eux, pour rechercher des choses... Ah. Je l'avais pas vu lui. Ouh, j'ai eu chaud. Alors, je suis comme vous, je découvre hein, le jeu.
Poor thing's blood's frozen her in place. It's not luck, at least.
Il en reste un autre là-bas. On va aller voir. Déjà, on va ramasser tous les cadavres là déjà. On va voir.
His fingers are all broken. They wanted him to talk. An old man. The Then must have thought he'd been around long enough to know about the watch.
Il en reste un là-bas. On va essayer de contourner. Ah d'accord, quand j'ai pas la... Ok. Voilà, on teste l'épée pour voir. Oh, je pense qu'on aura le temps de la tester l'épée. Hein. Ok. Ah, qu'est-ce qu'il a lui? Les carreaux, ok. Oh dis donc, je l'ai pas vu lui. Oh c'est vachement efficace eh.
Back for your cart, did you? What? You're not that cow's escort, but I'll gut you just the same.
Oula. Eh, oh, roulade. Roulade.
Let's see what you look like on the inside.
Hop. Eh ben.
Finish it then, Kneeler. Be quick about it.
The peddler, Lark. Where is she?
The girl, she talks too much when she's not crying for home.
What home? Renan's Rest?
I told us all a fine tale about where to find it. Reckon we'll pay a visit soon.
Where is she?
In the tower. What's left of her by now, anyway? Thens ain't much for patience.
Ok. Donc on a des points de temps là à mettre, on a... Alors... Allez, niveau 2. Allez. Ok. Donc du coup... On va fouiller un peu les alentours. Ok, là je suis au maximum. Je pense qu'au début il faut un peu fouiller partout parce que sinon j'ai raté quelques petits trucs au départ avec tout premier personnage. Ok.
Lark won't last long with this lot. I need to find her.
Hop. Ah.
Got ourselves a wildling killer here, boys. Ha! Now enjoy this. Stand back! This one's mine.
No crows to save you here.
I've laid with women tougher than you.
What have you done to Lark?
Voyons.
If I had proper steel, you'd be dead. Let's go see the girl, eh? Must be scared up there all alone. Wonder how loud she'll scream. Think you'll hear her down here? Maybe you'll find her still warm. Then she can watch as I cut out your heart.
Ah oui, d'accord. Par contre, est-ce que je ne mettrai pas les points de talent? Normalement, j'ai des points de talent à mettre, je crois. Alors, équipement. Ok, oui, ça c'est à voir plus tard. Augmenter la puissance d'attaque. Ok. Augmente les dégâts de coup puissant de 5%. Je vais passer. Bon, le taux de gain pour l'instant s'en fiche. Allez, on va activer ça. Voilà. Alors, après. Donc il y a pas mal de choses à récupérer, hein, des pièces de bronze, enfin de cuivre. Qui vont nous servir pour la suite de l'aventure, bien sûr. Et je vous ferai découvrir au fur et à mesure, bah, tout ce qu'il y a à découvrir. Ah, j'ai un maximum de potions, ok. Donc on sait qu'on a des potions à récupérer. Donc je pense qu'on est pas mal là. Allez, on va pas s'embêter, hein. Qu'est-ce qu'il a de bien lui? Les carreaux. Plein est complet. Il faut que je monte. Alors faut monter faut monter. Hop. Eh mais j'adore l'arbalète, hein. Donc, du coup, je pense qu'il faut remonter encore. On va encore remonter.
Master, what are you?
Quiet. The fun's about to start. I bet she tastes nice.
Allez, on va l'utiliser.
Welcome to share. After we're done, I'll make her wish she died first.
Ben voilà. Elle a des yeux diaboliques. Je lui ai fait un regard et un sourire. Elle me ferait peur, franchement. Alors du coup... Équipé. Allez, on sort de là.
Lark, are you hurt?
No, I'm fine.
You don't have to be.
I said I'm fine. It's good to see you. You've gotten taller.
You haven't.
My father, did he?
He's safe. Let's get you home. Can you move?
My legs work, but I'm shaking like a reed.
Aye, that's normal. Come on, let's go.
Oula.
The wildlings said you told them about Renan's Rest?
I'm sorry.
There's no shame in that. Anyone else would have done the same.
peut-être pas trop s'éloigner au cas où, c'est jamais.
You've been gone a long time. What brought you back?
My father. He sent me a letter, bid me to ride to Castle Black.
And what did you find there?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Either way, Master Merrick will be glad to have you. How's father? Is he all right?
He's at Castle Black. Wounded, but he'll recover.
Stupid, brave man.
We could use more of them.
It's seen better days. As has your father. The place seems to wither with him.
It can be rebuilt.
I hope you're right.
Ok, donc ça c'est chez moi.
Thank you for coming back for me.
Ah cool ça.
This place. I can't get used to it looking like this. Fields untended, buildings sagging. Father's illness has taken more than just his health.
Ok.
Father. Things are worse than you feared. Lord Commander Mormont is dead, killed in a mutiny. An army of wildlings, led by a man called Mance Rayder, is marching on the wall. The Night's Watch is a shadow of what they once were. Castle Black will not hold them off long. What's worse? The White Walkers. They're real.
You're certain?
I saw one with my own eyes. It killed Uncle Kenneth.
Winter is coming. The Lord of House Tyre must provide aid. The parchment. Take it.
Ok. Je vous laisse lire. Hein. Ok.
Father, please. There's still time.
The pain is growing worse. My time has come. Your brothers are dead. This house survives on your grace. You have always carried yourself as a true child of mine. I do not take this decision lightly. I ask no more of you than you deserve.
No one will recognize my claim without the King's approval.
I know. That is why that writ must reach King's Landing intact. With the Bolton seal on it.
I won't fail you, Father.
Rally support throughout the Seven Kingdoms. Without it, the Watch and the realm itself may follow in my footsteps. Let them hear what you have seen. They must send aid. May the gods watch over you.
Ouais, donc t'as du boulot. T'as du pain sur la planche. Hein. Alors, du coup... On va regarder un petit peu, là, vite fait. Équipement. Donc, du coup, j'ai celle-là. Ok, équipée. Je peux équiper ça? Non, je peux pas équiper. Ah, je peux pas équiper. Oh, il y a plein de trucs à faire. Ouais, c'est exactement la même chose, d'accord. Ah bah ça je peux l'équiper ça. Hop. Ça je peux l'équiper. Ça c'est équipé. Ok. D'accord. C'est quoi ça? Oh, un collier. Alors, 24 d'attaque, 16 de défense. Et celui-là augmente les dégâts. Et celui-là... Ok, bon, on va mettre celui-là. Un peu logique, je pense. Oh, 60. Ok, équipé. Ah, attends, est-ce que c'est pas sur l'autre personnage que j'ai créé aussi? Bon, c'est pas grave. Allez. Ok. Ça y a rien. Ah, on peut mettre une deuxième bague. Ok. 360. D'accord, en fin de compte. Donc c'est équipé, d'accord, ok. Ah. Ok. Donc les compétences. Coup d'épaule. Ah oui, d'accord. Coup d'épaule ou coup de pommeau. Ah, coup de pommeau, ça peut être sympa. On verra tout ça. En off. Et du coup... Ok, équipement, c'est bon. Arbre de talent. J'ai des points à mettre encore. On va mettre les points. Hop, on va mettre ça. Et on va essayer de... Voilà. Ouais, j'ai encore un point à mettre. Ok. Donc là, c'est pas mal. On va parler à Mary. Allez, on va parler à Mary.
Don't argue. There's broth in the kitchens. You need rest.
No, I need work.
There's nothing for you to do. Master Snow, tell the girl there's nothing for her to do.
Master, please.
Locke, see to it your father's brought back as soon as possible. We need him here. Then, do as Mary says. You need rest.
Aye. Thank you.
Mary, I don't have long. Father would have me ride south. What is the state of the keep?
It's grim, I won't lie to you. The place has been crumbling for years. We need food, repairs. Lark was carrying the supplies we needed. Oh, you only just got home. Sir Marek...
Sir Marek will need you to care for him while I'm gone. We have bigger problems. I need to speak with the other houses.
D'accord.
Wildlings are setting fire to the gift. Any further south, and they'll be on our doorstep. With father too sick to fight, he tasked me to protect his lands, as his heir. But it'll take more than a name to keep Renan's Rest safe. Wildling raids will be the least of its troubles when the White Walkers cross the wall. The Watch needs more than Renan's Rest can give. It needs the North.
D'accord, d'accord. Bon, bah, il y a quand même pas mal de boulot à faire. Ouh, ça va être, je pense, le début d'une très belle aventure. Bah, sur ce, les amis, je vous dis à bientôt. N'hésitez pas à mettre un petit pouce et des commentaires, hein, ça m'aidera. Et je vous dis à bientôt. Bisous, bisous.